Here we are, going into the spazzy bird. Look at her. Splash, 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 splash.
Don't go off that edge.
Splash. Take a splash. Holy. Yeah.
You're certainly good at this video taking, definitely. Here, I'll take one.
It's on the move. And she's taking off. And there goes Amy and Brooke. Where'd you go? Where'd she go?
I'm in the field.
Look at her egg. Okay, let's go look at the eggs. No, they're not. They're right here. They're right here. The lovely eggs. Eggs are amazing.
Don't touch them. Peace. Peace.
Peace eggs. Peace. Lovely eggs.
Peace.
Here.
Oh, and rock and roll too. Rock and
Oh yeah, rock and roll.
No, this is what it is. Caleb, Rachel.
They blend in.
Rachel,
They get run over by a car.
rock and roll.
Wow, very good, Brooke.
It is.
Oh, and there's Amy. Here, Brooke, take the camera.
Okay.
I'm gonna go with my.
Is this still the same video?
Yeah.
Huh.
Ready?
Let's take a video until she gets back.
Okay.
Let's take a video for her getting back.
Look. No, Rachel, it's this. Here, hold it.
You got grass all over you.
It's fine. Okay, this is it. It's rock and roll.
You're like rock and roll. Take a video. Yeah. Rock and roll.
Ah. This is the love scene in the movie. It's very romantic.
What?
You can tell the romance here. Amy running away, Rachel clearly wanting more love. We have to run. Oh, here comes Rachel, flying towards them.
Here's me running.